Going for a long trip with your bicycle is an exciting idea. However, long trips require you to take supplies and essentials with you, and for that, you need some specifically designed gears. If your bike is equipped with the perfect gears, you can go on trips with your bike whenever and wherever you want. There are so many gears available in the market for bike touring setups. Depending on the usability, practicality, and other features, we have made a video about the best 10 must-have gears for bike touring. So without further ado, let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Ideal for carrying lightweight, compressible kit, the Apidura Expedition Handlebar Pack is a handy partner for long-distance road bike tours, weekend trips, or even a daily ride to work. Constructed with the perfect combination of Hypalon and rubberized nylon, it offers up to 14-liter carrying capacity where you can organize all of your gears, and its air release valve makes packing easy. It has a lightweight 3-layer laminate fabric, and its dual roll top closer will keep the content secure from elements and makes it ideal for a long-haul touring. This 275-gram backpack has a sturdy and secure 3-point attachment system that will keep it locked on your cycle handlebar so you can roam freely without any worry. Moreover, this bag is highly resistant to tears and abrasion while providing a complete waterproofing facility. Besides, it is washable, so after a successful bike tour, you can just easily clean it for your next trip. No matter where your adventures may take you, the Apidura Handlebar Pack will let you carry your essential items on a multi-day bike tour. Most compact, lightweight, dual-action pump with gauge that road riders can fit anywhere. The Topeak ROADIE Da G is the essential component to inflate your bike tires without stopping. Its dual-action pumping head delivers 120 psi air with 36 cubic centimeter pull plus push per stroke so that you can easily and quickly pump your tires when needed. It has a press tab with integrated dust cap that keeps pump head clean, and thumb lock lever ensures airtight seal so that you can pump up tires without any problem. This pump has a large, integrated 1.8 cm of diameter analog gauge that is easy to read so that you can take perfect measurements every time. Moreover, it is made with aluminum and weighs only 116 grams. Besides, its side mount bracket will allow you to take it along with your cycle rods or bottle holder for easy carrying. To keep your bike's tires inflated, the Topeak comes with ROADIE Da G, an amazing hand pump that makes inflating super easy under mere seconds. Introducing a functional multi-tools to have you covered for nearly anything that could befall you on a ride. The Lezyne Rap 21 CO2 is the ideal tool for your bike touring trip. It has 21 tools including 6 wrenches, 3 integrated spoke keys, multiple size screwdrivers, and many more, providing a fast, easy experience while making quick adjustments or repairs in the field. This multi-tool is constructed with aluminum and it has chromium plating on top, making it durable and rust resistant so you can get benefits from it for a long time. Weighing at around 204 grams, its ergonomic design will make it compact so that you can easily store it into your pockets or backpack for easy carrying. Offering great value and performance in a compact package, the Lezyne Rap 21 CO2 multi-tool is perfect for a variety of roadside repairs and adjustments. Train smarter and discover new routes with Edge Touring Plus. This is the best overall cycling GPS with precise navigation and convenient features. The Garmin Edge Plus features GPS and GLONASS for advanced navigation and includes new navigation alerts and the preloaded Garmin cycle map for US and Europe. The Edge Touring Plus has a barometric altimeter which provides elevation, total ascent, total descent and gradient information so that you will always be aware of your routes. It works wirelessly with an optional Garmin Ant Plus heart rate monitor to help you know how hard you are working while cycling. You can use it with your phone and stay connected with your mates. Its smart notifications and built-in incident detection features will provide great convenience. Besides, you can use round-trip routing to choose from 3 ride options that will bring you back to where you started and share the route with others in the Garmin community. If you want a great overall bike GPS that will enhance your ability to compete along with advanced navigation, there is no better option than the Garmin Edge Plus. You will never know when an emergency arrives, and the Adventure Medical Kits contain the essentials to keep you safe from emergencies on a bike tour. It comes with an easy care first aid system that organizes first aid supplies into injury-specific storages to eliminate guesswork and ensure you can use the right treatment quickly. This first aid kit includes various bandages, antibiotic ointments, ibuprofen, aspirin, and many more kits to ensure you always have the right kit in time of need, which is just perfect for a 1 or 2 days of bike tour. Its rugged packaging with a compact, lightweight design will perform whatever the conditions are, and the waterproof construction makes carrying easy, so you can attach the kit to the outside of your pack with no fear at all. The Adventure Medical Kit is equipped with carefully selected supplies tailored to meet any basic first aid needs. Introducing the Knog PWR, a modular bike light that delivers excellent brightness at dark so that you can roam at night to enhance your bike touring experience. Its amazing bulb can deliver a maximum of 600 lumens of brightness, and it comes with 6 pre-programmable D modes, so you can program the light to suit your needs with Mode Maker. You can easily attach this device with your cycle handlebar or your helmet for easy carrying, and once mounted, using a PWR Road is a breeze. It is not only a flashlight, it is a power bank as well. It has 2 USB-A and a micro USB port, so you can easily recharge your phones or power bank if needed. Moreover, it also comes with a built-in battery that can run for up to 195 hours straight. Besides, it has 4 battery indicator lights, so you can easily recharge it before it runs out. Roam freely without getting lost at night, as the Knog PWR provides maximum brightness, so the Nemo Disco is one of the most comfortable sleeping bags on the market, and its unique shape and roomy dimension allow the most overall bed-like feel. Its innovative design with several unique and patent-pending features, with a downfill and a great temperature rating, fitting up to a 6.6 feet people inside of it. You will like its soft liner, 650 FP hydrophobic materials and lofty downfilling. It will keep you warm during cold nights, and the spoon-shaped design is roomy for side and stomach sleepers who feel constricted in a traditional mummy bag. This 300-gram bag is insulated with premium Knog wax hydrophobic down, the high-performance, fluorocarbon-free and water-resistant down. It keeps you warm in all conditions, and the breathable foot box will block condensation from the tent wall. If you're planning for a long trip and want to get rid of the sleeping problems while traveling, then the Nemo Disco 15 can be a good option for you. Get yourself introduced with the SOARAISE, an amazing solar charger that delivers maximum output so that your bike gears never run out of power. It consists of Li polymer cells that can deliver 5 watts of output, so you can quickly charge your phones 5 times better. Besides, it can simultaneously charge itself also. It is controlled by intelligent IC that allows you to recharge your devices within 2 hours, so when you are in a rush, you can easily give some juice to them. With built-in super bright LED emergency lights that provide enough brightness at night, and you can get benefits from it if any emergency arrives while you are on a trip. Moreover, its waterproof, dust and shockproof construction can last for more than 5 years, so it meets various electricity needs of outdoor travel. No matter wherever your bike touring adventure may take you, keep your devices alive with the SOARAISE solar charger. Designed for on and off-road or two-wheel travel, the Big Agnes Fly Creek award-winning Ultralight tent provides amazing shelter and protection from outdoor elements. It is a lightweight tent that weighs the whole package within 3.2 pounds and made by double ripstop nylon, and the mixed denier fabric offers extra tear strength and puncture resistant without adding weight. This tent has awning-style vestibules that expand covered living space, which is great for both drizzle and sun protection. Its corner construction with tip-lock tent buckle design streamlines and combines 3 functions. Besides, it has secure pole tip capture, rainfly attachment, and tensioner loop for your comfort. The Copper Spar HV Wheel-Tooth all seams are taped with waterproof, solvent-free polyurethane tape, and vestibule zippers provide protection against heavy storms. Duplex has been specifically designed for the demands of long-distance backpacking, and the award-winning Duplex hits the sweet spot when it comes to size, weight, and features. With adequate versatility, adjustability, and comfort, Ortlieb Sport Roller Classic Rear Panniers can be regarded as a super friendly companion in your bicycle trip. It is made of robust PD620 and PS490 polyester fabric, which is waterproof. As the Panniers have PVC coating, it is able to take a lot of punishment. Besides, it has roll-top closer seals that keep the bag protected from rainwater. It is equipped with a proven Quick Lock 2.1 tool-less adjustable mounting system, and that is why the Panniers can quickly be attached to the bike. Apart from that, you can comfortably carry it with its shoulder strap if necessary. Together, the panniers become huge reflectors during the night, which provide increased visibility at dusk and in the dark. Moreover, a pair of these panniers have 25 liters of storage capacity in total, and this bag is very easy to clean. If If you want classic rear panniers for your bike which has a robust construction with easy mounting system, go for a pair of Ortlieb Sport Roller classic rear panniers. So that was all about the best 10 must-have gears for bike touring. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.